Well, I wish I could show you today how to become a whitewater raft guide, and I think that would be exciting. But I found out in 2011 I'm not really good at becoming a whitewater raft guide. I trained all summer and I didn't really check out, but I did get to do some commercial trips on the Pigeon River north of here. I live near the Ocoee. But today I'm going to show you how to power wash, and I'm going to do it in a wetsuit, which is a really safe way to do it. You certainly don't have to wear a wetsuit when you power wash. I don't normally, but it is raining today, so it's going to keep me a little more comfortable, I think, and a lot more safe as far as my feet are concerned. Hope you enjoy this demonstration. Okay, there are a couple of things you have to check before you start this thing. I wanted to point those out to you. The first one's the oil down here. Which is good, you can tell it's up to the line. Can you see that? Don't want to get any oil on my laptop here. Then you need to put gas in the gasoline thing and not in the soap thing. I learned that the hard way. You don't really need soap to pressure wash. It can enhance your results, but it's the pressure that's the main cleaning agent, I think. And then you've got a couple of switches down here. You want the engine on, you want the choke on start, and then you kick it over to run. And then the fuel valve needs to be open, which it is right now. It should have been closed. But then you open the fuel valve, turn the engine on, and put the thing on choke before actually starting it. Alright, the hose is now attached to the pressure washer and the water's turned all the way on. It does specify in the instructions that you don't need to just turn it on slightly, but all the way on. And now I'm going to go attempt to get it started. I'll also, before I get it started, I'll show you they want you to make sure the water's running through it before you actually add the pressure. Water's running out of there. Well, as you can see, I'm having a little difficulty starting it, but I think this will still work for demonstration's sake. You run the pressure washer. This one has an attachment for doing floors that we found really helpful. And you run the pressure washer over the surface, and it'll scrub as well as rotate and add pressurized water to it. And I did my entire deck over the break. I'll show you my deck very quickly since it's raining. Did my entire deck back here over the break. It's a mammoth deck, I think. And then I started here on the driveway to help my brother out. He wanted to get the driveway pressure washed as well. He lives down here in the basement. So there you have it. A step-by-step procedure on how to pressure wash. There is an auxiliary procedure that how to get the pressure wash up and running, which involves taking it back to Kmart and letting the guy do a few things here and there that they've been helping us when we've had trouble starting it in the past. But I think pressure washing, whether it's a deck or a driveway, all has a pretty similar procedure that you can apply to all the different applications of pressure washing. And I think while I've done another video that's a little bit longer and much more meaningful to me about fighting world hunger, I think this is my best effort at a how-to video for this assignment. I may submit them both, but if they are both submitted, please give your grading attention to this, because the Fighting World Hunger video, while much more meaningful to me, is not doesn't fulfill the assignment as well as my video you have watched in this project on pressure washing.